Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I've always been asked, can I use AI to entirely write my technical document? And today let's talk about that. Now, one of the things we have always talked about technical writing is the research aspect of it. You need to make sure that you research certain things extensively, and sometimes you can use AI, but there you need to also do things like proofreading, fact checking, all that. So in this video, let's talk about how you can effectively use AI for your research document, for your research process. Now, first things first, you need to start with the right tools. Which AI tool do you choose to use for your research? For example, let's say ChatGPT. In my opinion, I think that ChatGPT is just great for coming up with content ideas or the brainstorming ideas, and also having like a quick explanation for a certain topic. It could be also a complex topic. Then there is another tool called Grammarly. This is really amazing, especially for polishing your writing and grammar. It's on point. Then there is Google Scholar. I feel like Google Scholar is just great for finding reliable resources and also scholarly articles and content. Now, another thing when you're writing research, there's what we call references. And with the references, there's a tool called Zotero. I feel like this tool is really so good for managing references, staying organized, and all that stuff. So once you start with the right tools, once you choose the tools that you want to work with, you can now set your research goals. Be clear about what you're looking for. Define what you're trying to understand. For example, let's say when you're using ChatGPT, start with a specific question. For example, what are the best practices for documenting an API? It gives you the answer. And then step 3, which will be basically summarizing that complex information. ChatGPT can help you break down some complex information into digestible chunks. So you can simply just put a paragraph and then ask the AI to summarize it for you. This is ideal when you're dealing with lengthy manuals or long technical documentation. Now, number 4, when you write your content, make sure that you fact check everything. Fact check. If it is a code documentation that you're writing, make sure that you copy that code, put it on your browser, put it on your code editor, modify it, edit it, make sure that you run it and you're sure that it is working, and then just don't skip this step. Make sure you verify each and everything. So now, depending on how you're writing, there are also tools that can detect for AI. So if you're writing for a client, please be careful when you're using AI, because they're going to detect your article, they're going to detect your work for AI, and they'll find out it was entirely written by AI. That's why it is really important for you, after using AI in your processes, after using AI maybe to rephrase certain paragraphs, make sure that you, as a person, go back and humanize your document. Make sure that you check each and everything until it is perfect before sending it to someone to review for you. So another amazing way to generate content ideas and outlines, and this is the reason I love using ChatGPT, especially sometimes you feel like you run out of ideas. So you can just prompt it, hey, I want to write an article around React.js. Can you give me 20 ideas from beginner to intermediate to advanced that I can write about? And they'll give you the topic ideas. It comes in so handy. So in my opinion, it is important to use AI. It is important to adapt to the new AI tools that are coming up in your writing processes. But then you have to be careful, depending on, you cannot just write everything using AI and then just submit it out there. You need to go through it as a human, go through it to check for facts, go through it to proofread, go through it to check out for references, like where is this AI even getting this information from, go dig deeper, especially if you're writing about complex topics and all that. So let me know what you think about using AI for your technical writing processes.